So no need to go to the spa and pay tons of money when you can do your own facial treatment at home. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Betsy, and yes, today I have an English video for all of you guys that want to see me do English videos. Now, I want to share with you guys a super cool beauty tool that was sent to me from the company Fancii & Co. But first, let me tell you a little bit more about Fancii & Co. They're an online store that sells facial spin brushes. They sell mirrors, they have stuff for your hair, stuff for your nails, and other type of different accessories. So I chose the Cora 3-in-1 facial spin brush just because it's one of their best sellers, and I wanted to know why it was so popular. This facial spin brush retails for $35.99, I think, on their website, and I like that it comes with 3 different heads, and it has a soft head, an exfoliating head, and a silicone head. And the soft one is for gentle cleaning, the second one, the exfoliating one, is for deep cleaning, and the silicone brush is for dry and sensitive skin. Let's open it so you can see how it comes. First, it comes with a little brochure that says Cora 3-in-1, and the brush comes like this. It's really hard to tell because of the light, but it says Fancii here at the front. I love that this box is travel friendly and easy to store anywhere. And if I close it up, this is where the brush comes in, and it has 2 more spots for the other 2 heads. And this is how the brush looks like. It says Fancii right here. It's really hard to tell. And it has 2 speeds. First speed, second speed, and the third click is the off button. And it's battery operated, and it doesn't weigh a lot. It fits anywhere, and I love the color. It's super girly, and I love about this that it cleans 6 times more than just your bare hands and your regular soap. And I also like that when you take off your makeup and wash your face, it still takes away like a lot of more makeup. So not just the wipey and washing your face will get rid of your makeup, but this will take more makeup off. And I'm gonna do a little demo to you guys. I'm gonna take off all my makeup, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys how this spin brush works. So that is the final result. This is how the brush looks like, and I just had light makeup on, and look, this is what came out, and this is my makeup wipe that I used, and there's still makeup residue. So this brush really works. It enhances your makeup skincare routine. So I 100% recommend this facial spin brush. I really love it. It's super affordable. It's super cute. It's something that you should consider having on your skincare routine, because this really boosts and helps your skin look glowy, healthier, and clear, which that's the best part of it. And yeah, that is it for me. If you have a comment, question, or concern, don't forget to leave them down below on the comment section, and I will also leave the website to Fancii & Co. so you can check out all of their other items they have for sale, and I will also link their Instagram so you can check out their cool posts. Don't forget to leave me your big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys